We're live,
Top of the top.
top of the top, the grandest of the rising.
You know, when you texted me yesterday and you said I feel like I haven't traded in forever, I really felt that.
You felt that, right?
Yeah, I really
It
feel like I
wasn't
have
just me.
not traded. Yeah, I don't feels like I haven't traded in like a very long time, bro.
Yeah, that's like literally. I was like, damn, like the weekend felt so long,
It did.
so long.
It
I was like,
did.
dude, this is crazy. I'm like, what's going on? All right, let's do.
It's about to be August.
It's about to be August, dude. We're halfway through the year, which is crazy. Ooh, Apple's going. Let's go right up into this gap. I love that. Apple's rip sticking off the open heavily. I hope this doesn't pull back and just goes forever and I just make a bajillion dollars. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Brian, Charles, Shadow. Shadow in the house, dude. Shadow, you are the man if you are a man. But you are a great person hopping in from X, the consistent trader popping in from X, saying what's good. Good morning. Good morning. Getting a
Is it the
little bit
consistent
settled
trader?
here.
I like that. I like
Yeah.
that name.
Right? The consistent trader. Of course. Yeah, that's a good one, right?
I like that.
Fit trader. We know Fit's in here. What's good, bro? What's going on? Good morning. Let's talk about some charts, right? Let's talk about some charts. I'm gonna take over. I'm gonna present to you guys what I'm seeing, what I'm thinking, what's going on. Monday morning. Okay,
Morning. Good morning, Max. What's up, stock market scientist? I like that.
let's do the damn thing. Okay, good morning, guys. So, what do we got? It's Monday. It's No News Monday, number one. We have a long week ahead, a super long week ahead. It's our first like full trading week of July. Yay. I think we have FOMC minutes on Wednesday, and we have some data towards the back half of the week. We have no news today. So, with that being said, especially how we've just been pumping, what does that mean? What are we looking for? What are we doing? Well, daily is just in price discovery mode, right? We are trying to just push higher. We just swept all-time highs. Maybe you need to see a little bit of a pullback, but honestly, when we go into like price discovery modes like this, I'm looking kind of just shorter time frames in the sense of like the 30 minutes, and maybe even 15 minutes. But basically, I'm just looking for a lot of multiple touch points. So right now, we can see there's a lot of consolidation here around 22,900. So I have a few levels today: 23,000, 22,900, and then near-term volume point of control. I talk about this frequently. Is 22,800. Where is it? 22,830. So it's literally, if we could sweep this right here and then come back, that would be a nice setup. So basically at the open here, I'm not looking to rush this. I'm really just trying to take my time, kind of see what happens, let price play out. It's Monday morning, like I said, not eager to get in this. Let price play out and do its damn thing. So these are a few levels I'm watching. Basically, if we lose 22,830s for whatever reason and don't reclaim it within a small time frame, small period of time, I do not like I would be looking for shorts potentially then. But until then, I'm kind of just going to wait. Like really, I'm just going to wait because what we want to see that Lawrence and I love to look for are sweeps of these levels and reclaims. So it's like, again, we're coming into 900s now. Let's see if we sweep this and lose it. If we can come down towards this volume point of control again, and we can hold that, especially a bit closer to 10 a.m. and reclaim it, that's going to be a beautiful sweep of what I'm looking for. And we'll let price kind of play out from there. So that's what I got this morning. That's what I'm looking for. Again, these price discoveries are a little bit tougher sometimes because I don't know how far it's going to go. I don't know where we're going to what we're going to test. And I'm just kind of going level by level and seeing what we have to work with and using that as the information given. So
Using incomplete information to get the highest odds for the trade to work out in our favor.
exactly. So nice little test right down into 900 here. Really nice little bounce here. But again, 4 minutes off the open on the Monday. I'm good. I think I'll wait. I will wait patiently and chill. Good morning. We got Max in here. Oh, we got Max. What's good, dude? Max hasn't been at the barbershop because he's been, I think, crushing it trading. So I asked the other day, I asked my dude Alex, I was like, where's Max at? Like, dude, he hasn't been working too much. He's been grinding it out. So Good for you,
Only
man.
you can find traders at a barbershop, Tanner.
They find me. I blabber enough in the chair about, I got stopped out here and stopped out there. No, I'm just kidding. Stock market scientists, Adrian, Diary of Futures Trader, Chandra, Jordan. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. We're chilling off the open right now, kind of just waiting. No positions down here as we see. Just chilling. Waiting to see what's going to happen with some price. What's going on with some price? So, going to be patient. We are testing prior day low right now as we speak. But we're just chilling. How are you, Lawrence? How was your weekend? What'd you do? Relax?
Sleep. I slept the entire weekend, bro. I
The whole
really
week.
slept the weekend away. Damn near the
Through,
whole
through the
weekend.
fireworks, through it all. Just slept through it all.
Not through the fireworks,
Yeah.
but other than that, I was sleep, bro. I didn't realize how tired I was.
Yeah, I remember last week you were burnt. Remember, you like wanted to take some days off and you were just like tired, and it makes sense.
Yeah, and we had a meeting, and then you hit me up, and I'm like, my bad, bro. I was knocked out. I was sleeping.
I know you were sleeping. I was like, all right, well, it's okay.
Yeah,
It's all good. It's
so
all
I feel
good.
refreshed. I feel good. I feel refreshed. I've been taking some sea moss. Sea moss is an aphrodisiac, so
Okay.
I
So
should
your girl
be.
likes it.
Yeah, I should be wearing
There
her
you
ass out pretty soon.
go. Good for you. I love that. That's good stuff. That's awesome. I just what did I do this weekend? 4th of July. It was my buddy's birthday actually it's on the 4th, but the day before he does stand-up comedy. So he had a comedy show the day before. I went down to see that on Thursday. Then Friday, dude, I went to the beach, had a beach day. And there was like these like young kids that were like aspiring DJs, and they threw like a pop-up on the sand. And it was like overwhelmed with like all these like high school kids. I was like, dude, this is kind of gnarly. They're just like openly drinking and smoking on the beach. The cops don't give a fuck. And I'm just like, wow. Like when I was that age, I would have been like, this is the coolest thing ever. And I'm just watching all of it play out. I'm like, oh God, like this is a lot. But
Was
there
it
was a
true
lot.
degeneracy?
No, I mean, they're too young to be full degenerates, but I did see some guys like getting carried up the stairs and stuff from the beach. So definitely,
Okay.
definitely one of those. This is looking real interesting here with this sweep and this hold of not gonna
Bro,
lie.
those wicks on that 5 minute are crazy. That
Yeah,
one
we had a
wick.
nice sweep of this right down in 900 and a
Yeah,
hold of
London
prior day
lows.
low. Yeah, London lows, a hold of prior day low here is just 900. Pretty nice.
I'm surprised you didn't take that long.
It's too early, bro. Monday morning, I'll miss it. I'd rather just miss it. I just want to be patient. I just want to be real patient Monday morning. I just don't. I took my my aggressive long off the open on Thursday on the 4th. Remember on YM? I was like real fast. I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna do that today. So yeah, that's what I planned. What's good, chat? What we got going? How are you, Drew, Rusty, Will? What's good? What's going on? You know how we do it Monday morning, kind of chilling.
Yeah. And also, I wrote a newsletter for all you readers out there. I'm going to put it in the chat. I took my time for this.
I like that. That's good. Maybe I have to have you
Yeah.
start doing the strong trading newsletter, dude.
Yeah, we can actually. Because I mean,
Oh,
this newsletter that I wrote it was pretty extensive. It was pretty long. It was like a 5-6 minute read or something like that. But
okay.
we do a strong trading newsletter. It could be like 2 minute read, 1 minute read, something
Yeah,
quick.
a little quick. Give some little gems. I think that would be kind of cool. What do you guys think about that in the chat? Let us know. Let us know.
Trading
Let us know.
trader newsletter.
I'm just letting some price right now.
Definitely letting it price.
Letting price. Guys, we do have a crazy deal for the 4th top 1 futures. If you do trade any of the pro accounts, which are the intraday trailing drawdown accounts, but if you're used to those and you like those, you can copy trade up to 9 accounts now. Go in Apex status, basically, of trading all those accounts at once. So if you're interested in that, you can use code STRONG. I'll throw the link in here for all y'all. Trade up to 9
messed
accounts.
up the entire. Sorry, go ahead.
No, it's okay. Trade up to 9 accounts. Let's post this. There's the link. Use it. Use it, abuse it, whatever you want. 55% off. Pretty crazy. Ooh, okay. I'm liking this now. This is getting a little interesting here. Let's see. Liking this I'm gonna try this, bro.
Order filled.
I'm gonna stop at this low. 912s. I like it. I'm in. I'm
Nice
in. I
little
like the
retest.
sweep. Yeah, look at this 5 minute, bro. Look at this. If we can reclaim this this ugly ass inverted hammer, real nice here. Just stop right at the lows. Got to get up and through it though, and go. It's a good attempt. See if she can hold.
Yeah, I like this attempt. It'll be a
Yeah,
nice
I
little
just
sweep of
nice
London
little
lows,
pull.
retest, take off.
To retest the priority low as well, and basically right back down towards this 900 level, which was the main level of interest. So if this holds, would be decent to go back towards 23,000. To be honest, it's kind of hard to re-add here, though. It's the problem. How do I get re-involved or like add to this? Kind of tough. It's already kind of a decently big
I mean,
stop.
it could be at the when you reclaim the high of that inverted hammer. It could be the close above
Mhm.
VWAP. The close above VWAP
Order
could be a
filled.
good one.
I added.
Yeah,
I'd
finishing
rather
off that
add
inverted
now than
hammer.
later, to be honest. That's just the whole thing.
Yeah,
I just love this type of setup. This is real clean because
it
once
is.
we engulf this, it's very unlikely it should come back down here. I think we got a 2-minute signal. Decent little
It's
2
pretty
minutes.
decent. It's pretty
Decent,
decent. Yeah.
decent. I just love like the retest here than the reclaim.
Yeah, I
Go
like the
for 70.
retest. It was the
Yeah,
retest for me.
yeah. 76s at least up into 23,000.
Yeah, this one looks good for you. I like
Looks
this.
decent. Yeah, it looks pretty decent. Let's see.
I'm okay with this. I'll be okay with that loss.
Yeah, maybe a little chunk. 473 is kind of decent, but
But if you do
if
get
we do
stuffed
hit,
out, that's a lot of market feedback right there
for
because
sure,
that
for
that would
sure.
be worth the 470. That's a
Yeah,
lot of
for
market
sure.
feedback.
Right into VWAP here. Let's see. Let me pull through it. Do we pull through it?
Do we pull through?
I need to know nonsense candles. What I need. I need a no nonsense candle. 43. Got a rough feeling about this, kinda, to be honest. Not gonna lie.
Oh.
Let's let it trade. Let's go to the 30-second. How we doing on 30?
I don't really like that too much.
I don't really like that at all.
Yeah,
I
I
really
like the
don't
way
like
that
that at
looks.
all. Let's see. Can we just get some clean moves through the highs and 23,000? That would be cool. Would be decent. I don't know. I'm not we just gotta get through view up here. The 5-minute looks good. The 5-minute does look really good. I just need it to close up here and continue. That's the biggest thing.
Yeah.
I need it to close up here. If this last 1-minute candle has some fuckery and we end up closing like down here or something.
There
There
you
we
go.
go.
Nice little
Little
pop.
push. Keep popping though.
There you
Keep
go.
popping. Keep popping. Keep it going. Keep going.
I like it when you call me Big Papa.
I like it when you give me the pop.
This could have
Paparoons.
been, I could have entered on that. But I'm gonna wait. I don't know.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
it's
wait a second.
needs to get up and through here. Needs to keep pushing here.
What's just going on, brother? Good morning.
Not terrible.
Anders in the trade. 8 cons in. Balls against the wall. Going for everything.
8 cons. See, I don't like how this reaction here, dude.
So on that 30-second chart, what's worst case scenario as it's bouncing off a VWAP like that? Like, is that something that you would take on the 30-second chart for like shorts or?
Yeah, I mean, I don't want to look for the 30-second on this because yeah, we do have the rejection of VWAP here. That's what I don't like. Like this close right now. I'm not a huge fan of this, to be honest. I just gotta let it play out though, I think.
Yeah, let it trade.
I don't know, dude. This might fail. I got this like weird gut feeling kind of about it. I might cut it early, to be honest.
Yeah, size down. I'll cut it early.
Yeah, I'm gonna cut it. I
Yeah,
think.
you have one. You have
If we
one.
if we lose 30s here, I'm gonna cut it. Let's see.
This is okay.
Yeah, no.
You lost.
Order
I'm not
Yeah,
doing
I was
filled.
that.
about to
I'm
say
not
you
doing that.
definitely.
I'm not doing that.
I'm about to
I'm not
say
doing that.
you kind of late on the cut.
I know.
You're a little late on the
See,
cut,
dude,
bro.
I knew like it just this VWAP right here. I was like, it was too sus. These motherfuckers, dude. I don't know. $473 loss was a bit too aggressive.
That's like 3 trades for you.
I know that is. It was just too much.
Well, 2.5. I would say 2.5 because I think each one of your little scratches are about $200. Would you say?
Yeah, roughly. I would say this is a normal kind of scratch, 275 ish.
Yeah,
I'm just gonna be annoyed if it doesn't clear here though and holds. I'm gonna be like, oh, see, you should have just trusted the trade, which it totally could. It could totally hold this and work fine.
Yeah, I mean that'd
But now
just
I'm just
be
really
a
late.
good example of how important risk management is. Because if it was
Yeah.
like a $200 trade, then you probably would have stayed to the whole $200 was like gone.
Yeah, well, I added to it. I'm like, I probably should have waited to add until we cleared 76s. So it's okay. It's okay.
It's all good. You got space for other attempts. That's all that matters.
Yeah, for sure. Absolutely.
That trade wasn't the trade was looked good, but I don't think it was
Mhm.
worth all of the future attempts on
No,
this in
no,
this trade
you're
session. It wasn't worth that.
You're right. You're right. Good morning, Alex. Ethan L's in the chat. Kidding. No, I mean, we take L's. It's good to show you guys L's. Like, you guys see me do it. I'm fucking human. It definitely happens. So, it's I liked the sweep. I liked the pullback, and I loved this 5-minute candle, how it was looking. And again, this still could hold. Actually, this trade could be totally valid still. There could be nothing wrong with it. Just the risk was a bit too big for me, and I didn't like how much I was risking. So I was like, you know what? It might fucking hold. It might totally hold.
Yeah.
I think I'm
I
gonna
will
wait
have confidence in it if it
7
gets to 50s, 950s. I have more confidence in it if it's 950s. I might
Yeah.
go for the long if it hits 950s actually.
Okay. Yeah, it's kind of tricky. Kind of tricky. It's tricky in this area. A lot of consolidation. Look at this 2-minute chart, dude. Blech. Gross.
Yeah.
I like this. A little lower high. High or low. I always get those fucking mixed up. Cruising. Waiting. This totally could hold, bro. This totally could be fine. I could have kept the stop there. Shoulda, coulda, woulda. My fault. Too much risk. It's the price you pay.
Okay, I'm in a trade going long.
Okay. Send it. Pull yourself up.
You can pull me up if you want, but I gotta get a second before I pull it up.
Okay, I'll pull it up for you. There he is. There he is.
I'm 2 macros in right now. I need more confirmation for this.
Yeah, it's this VWAP, dude. I'm gonna wait till closer to 10 a.m. See what we can get. Wow, nice flip here on this 5-minute bar. Looking good. Just a normal little pullback. I bitched it, everyone. Monday morning bitched it.
Not bitched it. Come on, bro.
I know. It's okay. It's already okay. Look at this. I already see your entry signal. Yep.
I'm gonna
You
go
see
ahead
the
and add
Lawrence
2 more. I'll do 320.
Lawrence signal.
Mhm.
Kind of liking this YM setup, dude. I might go with YM instead.
No.
No, is that you said no?
Junkie.
Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let it see.
The Lawrence signal, right?
The Lawrence
You
signal.
guys are funny, bro. I didn't even notice that. I was so locked in trying to.
That's so funny. Dialed, locked and dialed.
Mm.
What are they gonna do? Kind of like this. Still, I'm not against this. Still, dude.
Is
I just need to wait, bro. I gotta wait. I gotta be patient. Sitting here being patient. Okay, I'm in. Ooh, that's too much size.
like the way that sounded.
Yeah, like it's a little bit too big here. Got long MYM.
So as you guys can see, if you're looking, I'm annotating as this trade is working out, and it's giving me more conviction in my trade. It makes sense. It's making the trade make more and more sense. I'm not so like hung up on looking at price action. I'm looking at the entire plan, the entire process. I'm marking it out on my charts. And if I lose, I can look at my charts and say, okay, my entire system was checked off. Like everything looks good here. And if I lose, then it wasn't my fault. Like I did everything I was supposed to do here.
Yeah,
So you guys should start annotating your charts as your trade is playing out.
I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Nice push, dude. Wow, I really bitched that. See this YM can follow through.
And I should get a retest. I should get a retest of my entry, then it should take off, but we'll see. It'll play out.
See us get this 23,000 on the N Kizzle. On the old NQ machine. Can we get some follow through? Can we get some follow through?
Yeah, if it can come a little bit low, I'll begin to add to my position. I want to add into the weakness.
You know, add into it, yeah.
Yeah, just needed to come.
Well, that pullback was just really nice. Right where I got stopped out, basically, it was like the more confirmation that it was looking good and like working. So,
but the pullback that you got out of
yeah, the pullback
it
were
was
like
pretty steep, bro. I mean,
it was steep. It was but realistically, the trade wasn't invalidated. I just bitched it. My size was too big, and that goes to show everyone too, like psychology wise, you know, your risk has to be in line with how much you're willing to risk. And so for me, that just felt too steep. The 500, I was like, oh, that feels kind of big. And so that's where I fucked that up there. But realistically, the trade wasn't invalidated. That swing low point was totally fine. There was nothing wrong with it. It's an important lesson.
My position too.
Let's see. Decent here.
I think I'm gonna get a little bit more momentum. And so the thing is tricky with this added to my position, right? So like right now, if I get stopped out, that would be a $535 loss, right? But I would like to add to my position a little bit more, but it's like my stop loss is the invalidation point of the entire trade. And if I add to my position, I need to move my stop loss up just in case anything happens.
That's fair. Absolutely.
I want to take advantage of this. I'm pretty confident in this, man. I'm like really confident in it, but it's just like I gotta give it enough space to actually work.
Yeah, my YM is looking a little bit more decent here. Just got to close above VWAP. I I'm just basically targeting the sweep of this high. They're still kind of battling VWAP though here. Just letting it trade, trying to.
It's gonna be the retest, and then it should come back.
You did just get the sweep of that high, which is kind of ugly, but yeah, it's pulling into VWAP here. Nice little pop there for you. It's kind of exactly what you want to see. So YM's looking good too. It's looking better. Looking better for sure. Looking better. Come on, keep her going.
Waiting for it to reclaim. If we can get past,
Keep her going.
we can reclaim this
Patience.
pullback.
In on the VWAP bounced. Nice, Rusty. Let's see it. Let's see it. Let us see.
You got to be patient in this.
Mhm.
700 profit on that NQ push. Good shit, Max.
Nice shit. Good shit. Good shit. Let's see here. Let's see. Am I going to get filled here? I'm going to take you off for a second. Throw me on. Let's see how she's doing. Looking decent. Looking decent on this YM play. Like the sweep down here. Reclaim.
Mm-hmm.
Cover some into the highs. I think we could easily get 45 100s. I'll probably put one more out up there towards it. Just shy of it, maybe. Let's limit sell one more here. Let's see if we can get this too.
I get a little bit more confirmation. I want to add a little bit more. I'm about to give me one
Looking
more push.
decent.
Give me one more push.
Looking decent. Come on, keep her
I'm
going.
gonna add two more.
Okay. I like it. I like it. You can get that ham skis going. ES is looking good for you, which is also helping me with YM. Decent. Wow, RTY is rip sticking per usual. It's the year of RTY. It's the year of the small caps, bro. It's the year of the small caps. I'm calling it.
You've been saying that for a while.
I know. Well, you know, you're wrong enough until you're right.
Facts.
All right, let's get it going here. A little bit more. Come on. I'm not asking for a lot. Just want a sweep of the high and then into 45 100s. Then you easily should come all the way back up towards 137s and so on and so forth and continue and this and that. Patience.
PAY.
PAY shunts. Exactly. Oh, so the only thing I hate about YM is just it's sometimes just so slow.
Mm-hmm.
It's really just testing me. Just being patient. But literally throughout all of this on the 2-minute, this was just like not really pulling back or doing anything. It was just kind of cruising. So I was like, that looks decent. It means buyers are just chilling there waiting. Ooh,
It is a pullback. This is a little
there's your
steep.
pullback. It's a little steeper. I don't like that sweep for that pullback. That's when pullbacks get dangerous, when they sweep like that. That's what I don't like.
Mm.
Oof. Patience. 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 RTY just still looks so good. This should fill this wick right here and go. This is looking a lot better too.
We go on the higher time frame. See what it's looking like.
Looking a lot better here.
Doesn't look terrible. We're recovering.
Mm. I need this to fucking go, bro. No. Just go.
Eesh.
Just go.
Oof, this doesn't look good,
I
fellas.
know.
Doesn't look good.
Oh man, this looks fucking bad now. Hold the line. Hold the
$700
line.
loss incoming.
Hold the line. Holdeth the lineth. RTY is so just going, dude.
Oof, this is not good.
Yeah, it's too aggressive.
Yeah,
Now.
I think I'm cooked out. I think I'm cooked. That's a $700 loss, and we'll be back tomorrow. If I get stopped out here, no more trades.
Retesting prior day low.
Trades.
These motherfuckers, dude.
It looked good. I
It
thought
looked
was
good. It did. It swept the highs there and then just came down and fucked us.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's over.
This is gonna cook me.
Yeah, for sure. Shouldn't have came back this low.
Motherfucker, dude. Motherfucker. Shouldn't have come down this aggressively.
Hey, bro, that was bad.
God damn it, dude.
Damn,
Well,
that was tough.
that's trading.
Whoa.
Oh, wow. That's what we're doing on the Monday. Okay.
That's not good.
All right. All right.
Order filled.
Wow. I am done. I am done. I am done. I am done. Wow. I just got fucking anal, dude. No lube. That sucked. Oh, that fucking sucked.
Gosh. And watch. What if it like holds this? I thought this was the sweep right here, man. They got me
That's too
good.
big of a loss, dude. I knew that was too aggressive of a position.
Oh, it didn't beat lower day. What if it doesn't beat lower day and it continues to go up?
I can just tell I'm gonna be too fucking
Man,
God.
that's crazy.
Too early on the Monday, bro. Too early on the Monday. Too early on the Monday.
No, I should have put it below the sweep. Tell me this isn't so.
I think
Look at
it's
this
gonna
shit.
hold. I know, dude.
Look at this shit. Look at this sweep. Please. Oh, I should have put my
Literally
stop
right into my level,
below
dude.
the sweep.
I'm in.
Oh my
Fuck this.
gosh.
This is my last attempt right here.
Oh. Wow.
Okay. All right. Let's see it, guys. Does this hold? Look at that fucking candle, bro. Are you kidding me?
Hey, bro. Crazy.
Wow.
If it holds that.
Just wow.
It holds that.
Wow.
Be crazy, right?
No. These fucking guys, dude.
Be crazy. That was my fault. I should have put my stop below the sweep, but I just assumed that it wouldn't have gone that far.
Yeah, I know. I mean, that's ridiculous, bro, just to be honest. I think Lion's gonna finally hold here though. So I did take one more stab at it. If it takes me out, that'll be max daily loss. And I don't have confidence in this right now. Ugh, God. How annoying. How annoying, dude. It's a whole lot of fucking fuckery.
A lot of fuckery.
Bunch of bullshit. Bunch of bullshit, dude.
I'm gonna take another stab at this, but I don't
I
know.
know.
What do you guys think, chat? Should I take another stab at this? What should I call it? I'm gonna give you the whole rundown. Just got because I started my journey over. Just got the XFAs, $2,000 max drawdown. I'm already down 740.
Yeah, it's tough. It's a
That is
big
tough.
loss. It's too much risk,
It
I
is
think,
tough.
on that play.
I could put in like two. I guess like I'm gonna put in two micros. Fuck it. I'm gonna put in two micros.
Yeah, can you pull the stop all the way to the bottom and fit that?
Yeah, I'm gonna put it all the way at the bottom. 160.
Wow, it's just not doing it, dude.
Damn. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna keep it small because I'm not gonna try to win the trade and have a green day. I think I just want to reduce the loss. How about that?
Yeah, I mean, that's why I got in here. Why I'm just retested my level. It's about to take me out though, dude. I'm basically cooked. This is so fucked. Too aggressive. Yeah, it's gonna take me out. Unless it holds. I don't know.
Yeah, let's see how it plays. I'm risking 160 right now. I'm gonna just want to reduce. I'm gonna see if I can reduce the loss, and I can end it on a red.
I think I'm cooked, dude, on this last attempt here.
Jay Bull says sounds like revenge trading. Does it? Does this sound like revenge trading?
No, not
I
not
don't
your
think that this is.
nah.
I don't think that this is emotional. I don't think that I'm in my feelings. It's just
Yeah.
my original plan isn't invalidated. I just had my stop at the wrong place, and I'm sizing down. I'm not even trying to go for a green day.
I'm out. Max daily loss. It's the first time I think that's happened on stream. Wow. Fuck me. What a terrible Monday. Well, that's why we have the max daily loss, because now I can tell you I'm fucking annoyed and pissed and frustrated. And if I didn't have this thing set locking me out and saving me right now,
Mhm.
I'd
You'd be
probably do
going
something.
off.
I'd probably be something stupid, dude. I'd probably do something real stupid. Not gonna lie.
Crazy.
I'm gonna make sure I lock out all these other fucking accounts. I'm not dealing with that today. I'm not doing that shit, dude. I'm not fucking doing it. Isn't trading fun, guys?
It's
I've
just
been on,
it's a
I've been on
fun
a ripper,
space.
dude. I've been on a great hot streak. I'm just like,
Yeah. These are the days that make you. Like these
I
are really
know.
the days that make the
They really
trader,
are.
honestly.
They really are, bro. They really fucking are. Well,
See what happens here.
this looks awful.
Look at Spy. Ooh, Spy looks doesn't look. I mean, that's a sweep right there.
Nothing looks good, quote unquote. I think
Mm,
you could say. I don't
doesn't
know.
look bad. Doesn't look bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, this shit doesn't look bad. This is kind of like this is a very pivotal point right here. I'm trying to think, should I maintain this? Yeah, I'm gonna maintain that. If we go, I'm pretty sure we'll go.
I don't know what to think about any of this, bro. This is just like, I mean, I'm done. I'm just fucking chilling. Nothing else I
Honestly.
can really do here, but just wait. Just sit and wait.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm just hanging out. You guys want to talk to me in the chat? Good for these newer traders to see all the emotions that we have in our heads. It's not unique to any one of us. Yeah. So we all need to get over ourselves and know that shit's not always going to happen. Yeah. It's like, dude,
Yeah.
it's just the reality, bro. Like, it's like, we still feel the emotions. I'm fucking annoyed. I'm pissed. I'm like, dude, why?
Mm-hmm.
And it's like, you're
He
not
said,
annoyed at
well,
you're not annoyed at the market. I think like you
yeah.
get more annoyed at your own actions. Like you're like, oh fuck, dude, why did I do that? Or like, you know,
Mm-hmm.
why did I go so heavy there? Why did I go so aggressive? Like
Mm-hmm.
that's what I'm more annoyed at than anything, is just like my actions.
Yeah.
It's like, why? Because like you can't control the market. So the outcome of like, oh yeah, that's annoying that the market did that. But that's always a possibility. The market always possibly can do something you don't want it to do. So
Yeah, that's true. And like we can only control our controllables, which is risk, entries, and
yeah.
exits. And I mean, that's more than enough. That's more than enough, you know?
That's a good question. Tanner, how many props do you cycle through at one time? Is there a system to use to keep consistent payouts going? I really only use, I mean, I have top one futures and now I have three, I guess. I have top one futures, I have take profit trader, and I have my live account that's finally should be ready like tomorrow or the next day with tick tick trader. I don't know how I'm gonna go about that one. I think that one's gonna be only an Asia session one. And then as far as top one futures, this is my main one. I trade on live with all you guys. I don't really cycle through them in the sense of like blowing accounts. Luckily, I've been pretty consistent with those. But as far as my take profit trader, I'm not gonna lie, that one totally is like my fun account on the side where I'm just like aggressive and like I don't really fucking care if I lose it. I'm just like, I'm like whatever, milk it type thing. Because I understand the risk that I
Mm-hmm.
took with it. So that's generally how I like to go about those personally.
If we can get past this, I'll be more confident. The Lawrence signal.
The Lord's signal.
But if not,
I don't know, dude. This might be a lost cause.
yeah, I think so too. But we'll see. Because it's fighting. This isn't like,
It is
yeah,
fighting. You're not wrong.
oof, yeah, lost cause.
Yeah, it's a tough one. This might be a Dunzo day, ladies and gents.
Mm-hmm.
Might be a Dunzo day, ladies and
You did call that sweep up top. You did call this. You definitely called this right
I
here.
called that. I was like, I don't like that little
Uh,
sweep there. I did not like it. I was not a
yeah,
fan of that. Extremely not a fan of it.
yeah.
Very much not a fan of it.
Come on, get back up there.
Come on. Come on.
We
Come
said,
on.
nope, we're going to the ground, fella.
Yeah, this is it's unfortunate.
Yeah.
That's all you can really say. That's unfortunate. Like that sucks.
You can say.
Yeah.
Man, that adding to position thing is just so dangerous, man. Because I mean, if I would have lost this trade, that would have been like a $200 loss. Now I'm like about to be down. Like, if I lose this is going to be 890. But
Yeah.
that, man, I probably just need to stick to like static risk, huh?
Yeah, I think with those smaller accounts, you kind of have to. You can't really add, it's hard to add until you get it back above the buffer. I think that's
Yeah.
like the biggest thing. It's like once you get above the buffer, it's a little bit easier to add, but like until then, bro, it's like it's just hard, real hard.
It is. It's
you
tough.
know? Super
It's
difficult.
tough.
It's tough. It is tough. It's tough.
Yeah, it's gonna stop me out here.
Yeah. That's
All right,
it.
fellers. GG's.
GG. Well, first pretty fat losing day for me and Lawrence in a while. So that's that. We're gonna have an early stream, and that's just what's gonna happen.
Mm-hmm. If we
That's
fight,
exciting.
if we might fight here, we may fight
I don't
here.
know. I don't know.
We may fight here. We may have a chance. Jay Bull said the worst thing you can do is stare at the screen after a hard loss. Yeah, but I mean, it depends on how you take the loss.
Yeah.
Like for me, I take full responsibility over everything that happens today because I know this weekend I was working on adding to my position and I haven't mastered it yet. And I wanted to try it here and just got burnt. So
Mm-hmm.
it's a lesson, man.
There's always a lesson involved. Say my lesson is I just went too aggressive on that second trade, and that's mainly it. That first trade too. Like that first trade wasn't bad that I took. You guys all saw it.
Yeah, I don't think it was
The
bad.
second one on YM was way too aggressive size wise. I was like, oh shit, that was too much size. I knew it. This might hold, bro.
I hope it does. I
That'd
hope
be
it does.
crazy.
I hope it does. That'd be cool.
That'd be crazy.
Uh,
I don't know. Let's see.
it might, bro.
It might. It might hold.
Let's see if we can clear.
It might hold.
See if we can clear. Ooh. I'm not gonna lie,
Interesting
bro.
5 minutes. Looks decent
You
now.
guys, I'm a spice it up. Should I think I'm gonna add.
Are you?
I'm gonna spice it up. Fuck it, we're here. I just added.
Okay. All right. Lawrence is going for it on the Monday.
Yeah, we're going for it. Fuck it.
All right. All
Spice it
right.
up. And then the moment I add, got him. Got him.
Yeah.
Send this shit straight to a stop loss.
Finish him. I know, literally.
You seen that Instagram where old buddy had the garage and like every time he put something in here, he got double the amount back, and then he kept putting shit in there.
Yeah,
and the garage
yeah,
closed.
yeah. That's literally it, bro. That's what happens every time.
Yeah,
Every fucking time, bro.
that's hilarious.
Every fucking time.
See what's going on the 2 minute.
I don't know, bro.
Come on, man. Let's get above 940s. I feel a little bit more confident if we can do that. Jay said lower highs. Man, boy, Jay, man.
Jay, man.
I feel him. He's not wrong. He's not wrong. I actually like
yeah.
it. He's not wrong at all. Because I mean, shit. I mean, whatever happens at this point, bro.
Yeah, this is just
I'll be
rough.
back tomorrow.
We'll be back tomorrow. That's why I'm glad I got the lockout feature, dude. Locked me out. Locked me out, bro. Just goes to show too, like we're not perfect. We, you know, dude, shit happens, bro. It's fucking trading. Sometimes it's just hard.
Mm-hmm. And yeah, that's a big thing. What Space Ghost said, fail to break lower right here. You're good. Here's the moment. Yeah, like that's why I added.
Yeah.
Like if this is going to go, that was the moment I needed to add to the position. That was the moment.
Yeah.
Because it was a failure to go lower.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm going to be conservative if we make it. If we make it there.
If we make
So
it
even
there.
if I make this trade, I'm still going to be down about 100 and some change, right?
Yeah.
160, 160. I can take that
Yeah.
if I make it, because Lord
Yeah.
knows, unless I add to my position,
Unless I add more. Unless I
unless
add
I
more.
add more.
Unless I add more. It does look decent now for you for sure. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah,
Looking a tad bit more decent.
we're waiting. Wait. Let me look at Spy.
Spy's not bad.
Spy doesn't look bad for the upside.
It don't look too bad. It
It
don't look
doesn't look
too
bad for
bad.
the
It
upside.
don't. It
It
don't.
got that sweep that it has that failure to go lower right here.
Mm-hmm.
Spy doesn't
Spy
look too
hasn't tested
bad.
prior day low though. That's the issue. That is the issue, my friend.
It hasn't.
Oh no.
It hasn't tested prior day low. One thing that my coach told me was sometimes it's good to look at for all the reasons for a trade to go bad, like all the conflicting signs, but
Mhm.
also look for the supporting signs as well. Those are just as
Yeah.
important. So
Yeah.
it goes on to say if you find conflicting signs, but you also find supporting signs, hands up. Hands up. There's nothing you can do.
You just let it do the thing.
You let it do its due.
You let it do the thing, dude.
Can't stress yourself.
Can't really stress it. It is frustrating though. That's trading. Trading can be frustrating. Trading can be super frustrating.
Mhm. If I see the Lawrence signal on Spy, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm gonna make it spicy in here.
It's retesting VWAP on QQQ right now, so it's got to get back through this area.
Looks good.
Yeah.
Spice it up. Looks good.
It's sitting in VWAP but pushing higher. Yeah, that's true. It is.
Meta pump saving Lawrence. Meta's pumping. Where's Meta? Let's check it out. Tanner, you're supposed to be on this, man.
The meta. I
You
mean,
look at the single
meta.
names.
Yeah, but
Ooh, Meta's going to the moon, brother.
one name like that doesn't really. Look at me, Tanner. I'm using VWAP. I love it. Good shit.
Look at me, Tanner. I'm using
VWAP. I mean, dude, that's why it's retesting right here. I'm like, not bad. Not bad.
Yeah.
Not bad. Not bad,
This
my
Meta pump is
friend.
serious. I really wish I could have got in on Meta when it went down to like $80, bro, a few
Dude, I
years ago.
know.
I
It's
should
pretty
have did it,
wild. Shoulda,
bro.
coulda,
This shit
woulda.
10x. I know, right? Shoulda, coulda, woulda.
Shoulda, coulda, woulda. Your best friends.
This shit 10x
Shoulda, coulda,
almost.
woulda.
He calls
Still
that out.
trying. It's still trying.
I'm confident in this one now. I'm looking at Spy. It looks pretty clean. This is a really high quality setup I'm in right
Now it's retesting NQ view up. Let's see.
now. This looks pretty good. I like this. I do.
It is looking bad. Well, the thing is, we never failed to break the 900, which is good. Like that pulled back to 905. You know, that's like
It held.
your yeah. It
We
could totally
should
work
be.
now. If this holds here and goes, it's going to go to 23,000. That's for sure.
Yeah, I think Spy is gonna go high day.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Just gotta be
It's
patient.
looking better. Looking better for you.
Yeah, it does look good.
And it's looking better for you.
I need the PT to hit for me to feel
Yeah, I
something. If
know.
I feel anything,
To feel
honestly.
something. To
Yeah.
feel. Just let me
To
feel
feel anything.
something. Yeah.
Look at me,
That's true.
Tanner. I'm using VWAP.
Hey, look at me.
Look at me,
Aren't you
Tanner.
proud, Dad?
Aren't you?
I'm gonna go get some milk. I'll be back.
Oh my
Oh
goodness.
God, dude.
That's hilarious. We're
Mhm.
pumping.
We're going. That's
Yeah.
not terrible. Not
Am I
terrible.
crazy for adding even more to my position?
No, if it goes, I mean, as long as you can withstand the pullback, if we do pull back again,
I'm going to add in the pullback within the
I
pullback.
don't think we should lose 930s now. To be honest,
What do you guys think, chat? Should I add into weakness?
it's definitely looking better.
Nah, I'm not gonna add into weakness. I'm gonna just chill because I'm already behind the 8 ball. Like if this was the first trade, absolutely. But since I'm behind the 8 ball, I'm a chill. There's gonna be a nice little break even day.
Yeah.
$100. That's cool.
Let her trade.
Let her do it.
Let her do the thing.
Man,
Let her do the thing.
shoulda, coulda, woulda, boy. Meta options.
Damn, brah. Looking decent. Looking a tad bit more decent here. Spy and ES both into VWAPs. Don't worry, I'm your VWAP announcer, guys. Don't worry.
I'm literally like hounding one of my very close friends. I'm literally hounding this man to buy Bitcoin. Like I've been telling him for years. Like I've been telling this man since like 2019, bro. Like nonstop. Like he's a very close friend of mine.
You gotta buy it.
Man,
My
you have to,
my
bro.
auto buys just went off yesterday.
Man, when you did that, bro,
That made me so
it
happy.
touched my heart. It really did touch my heart, bro. It touched my heart.
I'm just here to inspire.
Man, this really like seeing shit like this. It touched my heart because I mean, Bitcoin is just, man, that's just one of those things, bro. Like, what would you do if what would you do if you knew back in the 80s and 90s about the internet? Like what you know today, if you could take
That's
that back
true.
there, like what
You're
would
not
you do?
wrong.
And
You ain't
and it's
wrong.
growing faster than the internet.
Yeah, you ain't wrong. You're
I
absolutely
don't
not
know,
wrong.
man.
You're absolutely
I
not
don't
wrong, bro.
know.
Got the
Really want
retest.
to add, but I don't want to blow my account live. I was
Yeah,
stuck.
I don't think you want to do that either. I don't think you want to do that either, bro. You should have your max daily loss on. I'm gonna get on your ass about that after.
I don't have my max daily loss on.
Well, help me help Timmy get a new pair of shoes and use my code Top One Futures. Everyone, code strong. Thank you.
Get a new pair of shoes. Here we go with the bullshit, brother. This better be a retest and going
It's a
higher.
really nice rejection of VWAP is what it is so far.
Jesus Christ. I'm still confident in it. I wish this was my first trade. I would literally buy right now. Man, my
know.
buying finger is itching.
Finger on the trigger.
I'm not going to do it though, because this might be all a reversal fall. We know. Do you guys both trade options still? Swings.
Swings, yeah. I just swing trade options. I actually just loaded up a couple grand into a Thinkorswim account to maybe toy around a bit here and there. But I have a small little account on Robinhood. I swing trade options on. That's pretty much it. Good question.
Mm-hmm.
Good question, my friend. Just depends on the opportunities. Like my swing trades right now, I have a swing trade on Apple and I have a swing trade on UNH. I had to buy a lot of time. The UNH has been going sideways as fuck for so long and just been like a headache. And then Apple, same thing. It went so sideways, and then I was underwater on it for a while, and just finally, literally, started to pop.
Mm-hmm. This is a very this is a moment here.
This is a moment, dude.
This
9:30. This
is
needs the whole.
really a moment
Needs the
here.
whole 9:30 right here. The hole's 9:30. It's a retest of prior day low, which is good. That's a good information for the bulls. That's for sure.
Still confident in this. Lord have mercy. Look at that.
Dude, it's just
Oh
could
no.
just be one of those days, dude, where like it's like, no, this is what you've been used to. We're just gonna fuck you. Sorry.
Yeesh. Yeesh. This is gonna be a nasty loss.
Oh man.
Nasty.
It's toying with you.
It is.
It's
I've already
toying with
accepted it as a
you.
loss. I'm gonna have to come back from I'm like, man, this is gonna be the greatest comeback. This is gonna be a greatest comeback right here, bro. If I lose this
All right.
trade, I'm gonna be down like I think what 12, almost $1,200. And
Wow.
I'm gonna come back.
I know.
Watch. I'm gonna dig myself out of it.
All right. Good. Have the whole the news see. Don't you find Mondays suck and chop with no news? Yeah, for sure. It's definitely a thing. No news Monday. I took 2 high probability setups in the sense of like I'd take those any given day. They just didn't work out.
Mhm.
My thing I
Yeah,
fucked up on is I went too heavy on my size on my second trade.
on the first one.
And then my third one was just honestly just emotion. And I was like, fuck. And that's it. Hit my max daily loss, personal max daily loss, $1,200. Too much money. Too much money, my friends.
Yeah, me adding to my position on that first trade really fucked me, bro. I'm trying to master that shit, bro. That shit's so tough.
It is. I mean, it's
It's
like
so tough, man.
you got to do it really, really early on. And if you don't, that's it.
Damn, that shit's tough. I'm gonna figure it out though.
Yeah, it just takes practice. I think you're going to be cooked on this, dude, to be honest.
It's gonna be a hole I gotta dig out of.
I don't think it's going to work. I think it's one of those days
Yeah,
where
where everything is just gonna fail.
everything is just going to fail. It just looks like it. Everything
Yeah.
is failing. YM's at low a day. RTY is almost at low a day. It don't look good, bro.
This shit doesn't look good at all.
Don't look good at all.
Mm,
Like at all. I
yeah.
don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it.
This is nasty. I gotta hold it.
You're committed now, bro. You gotta hold it.
Yeah,
You
I
gotta
do.
hold it.
Jay Bull says have to be patient to enter a trade and even more patient to add. That's very true.
Yeah,
It's just that adding just skews your risk so bad, bro. Oh my goodness.
yeah.
I feel like the only
Well, because
time I could possibly
risk is dynamic. So it's like it's you know, when you add higher too, yeah, it skews your risk for sure. Because risk is dynamic.
yeah.
It's like it's always ever changing and moving. When you're up $1,000 on a trade, if you're not trailing and stuff, it's like
Mhm.
you're like open, that much money to like potentially be down and lose it. It's the
Mhm.
hard part.
Derek said I'm in long as well. It's all good. Shit, I hope so, Derek.
Hope
Fuck.
so, bro. Hope so.
Hope so. I think I'm cooked here.
Yeah, dude, I think this is fucking smoked, dude.
Definitely cooked here. One of them days.
One of them days, bro. One of them days.
Yeah, this shit's about to fucking die. But it's holding. I don't know. So the thing is, SPY is at lower day, new lower day, but NQ is still holding. Like the NQ still have space.
Yeah, yeah.
So I'm trying to figure that out. What does that mean, chat? And SPY is dying, but NQ is holding? What does that mean, chat? Derek said, yep, stop loss was hit.
Yeah.
Derek, you're selling me false promises, brother.
False promises, dude.
Yeah.
Dude, this thing is just fucking...
Okay, so Ethan said that NQ filled the gap, but ES didn't. Okay. 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 Should I add to my position here?
I don't know.
Should I add to my position, chat?
I have no idea.
Because if
honestly.
ES is meeting new lows and NQ is far from the low, there's a divergence here. There's a divergence. Everybody said no.
Everyone's like, no, dude, I think you're cooked, bro.
Yeah, pretty much.
I would just let this be, bro.
Yeah,
I think
I'm not gonna add. I was talking shit.
Yeah. I just
Because
think
as soon as I lose this, I'm only gonna have like $800 to work with, bro.
yeah, it's like
Would it be good to have stop loss based on time too? Like after holding for so long in no direction, should you stop out and keep holding? Maybe just an options problem. I'm not against that, bro, but I don't know. Like I'm not against it. I'm not against time based stops, honestly, because it shouldn't really be, chopping for so long, right? Like I don't know. I have certain expectations on how my strategy moves, and this is really not one of those expectations right now.
Yeah.
This is just a horrid day.
I think this is just gonna slowly die, bro. To be honest.
I think so too.
Bearish. Just Luke, bearish.
I think I'm cooked here, chat.
Yeah, this is so fucking awful.
This is a horrid, bro.
Horrid.
To say the least. To
It
say
is
the least.
horrid, dude. It is pretty
This shit
horrid.
is horrid, bro.
It's pretty horrid. Extremely horrid.
This is my final. This is my saving grace right here. I don't think it is. Honestly, I think that this is just, this is going to continue down.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know.
All right, let me take a snapshot of everything here.
I think it's just the Monday after, like Drew said it good earlier. It's like Monday after the holiday, everything's like rebalancing kind of.
Mm-hmm.
And I think that's a good point because it's like there's just like there's no follow through. It's pretty much sideways chop. Realistically, dude, we're in an 80-point range on NQ. That's nothing. That's really fucking nothing.
Oh, I think I'm cooked here, bro. I see I see the Lawrence signal, but onto the downside. Oh, I think I'm cooked here, fellas.
I don't know.
I'm gonna hold the line, but this is definitely the Lawrence signal to the downside.
Hold the line. See what happens. You're already locked in. You're already locked in, my friend.
We're doing.
Locketed in.
This is the Lawrence signal to the downside, brother.
To the downside. 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 To It's gonna toy with you. It's gonna toy with you.
Horn signal to the downside, brother.
Man, this is just awful action, dude. So bad. Just like really fucking shitty. I just dislike
Yeah.
it. I extremely dislike it.
On, baby. Work with me. What's that? Take profits. What profits, Luke? What profits? What profits, bro? What fucking profits?
Oh,
I hope you're speaking. I hope you're manifesting.
well,
This looks horribly bearish.
it just looks sideways, dude. There's just not a lot of clarity. That's the only way I can describe it. It's just like it's one of those where again, if you just try it too many times, it's gonna end up fucking you over. And that's kind of what happened to both of us. Is just like because there's not a lot of clarity. It looks like it might do this, it looks like it might do that, but in like reality, it's just like
Yeah,
it also could be one of those too, where like the trade's not invalidated till it's invalidated. Like that's the other thing too, right? It's
that's
like
very
until we
true.
lose the low, it's not technically wrong. It's just going sideways and toying with you and fucking with you.
You're very right.
So it absolutely could do both, one of two things. The system says just let it trade and keep the stop at low a day, in my opinion.
Exactly what the system says.
Yeah,
And we are
that's what the
following the
system
fucking
says.
system.
Yeah.
I know that's right, Tanner. Yeah, I like that whole little
Right.
man.
Right. Like it's frustrating when you go through the emotions, it sucks, but like the system says until it breaks low a day, like you've done this to me in like the middle of the day randomly, or you text me because you've like been in a trade just like holding it. You're like, until we lose low a day, it's not wrong. Like
That's true.
it's like yeah, like you're not wrong about that. Like it's like that's the system.
That is very true. That is very true. Tay Squeeze said, "Keep talking good. The market likes it." Yeah,
Yeah,
man. Keep talking,
yeah,
Tanner. Hype
it's
this up, bro.
okay. Let's see. Let's walk through some price here.
Yeah. Let's
Again,
walk through
holding
some
the
fucking
900,
price.
retesting prior day low. See how
Talk to me
that.
nice.
Okay. Just digesting a little bit of price. It's okay. It's okay. Nothing to worry about. Just
God, I need
digesting.
more hopium. I need more hopium.
I need more hopium too, dude. Let's see it.
Need more hopium.
I need some vicarious hopium for you while I just sit here because I'm already just in my feels and just annoyed from the day. So I'm just like, I hope it works for you. I really do.
I do too, man.
I really do.
I don't think it is though.
Yeah, it is kind of tricky, bro. Very tricky indeed.
What's the higher time frame say?
Yeah, that's a good question. I'm gonna cycle through some of
Jesus,
these.
I just don't like this. Oh God, no. The higher time frame isn't needed to. This isn't really. Everything's beside each other. This is chop.
Mm-hmm.
They're like kissing, they're holding hands, they're butt buddies and shit.
Man, dude, they're just really doing this today.
Yeah.
You know what? I think this is gonna hold.
I think so too. Because I think that it would have really like did something.
Well, what I kind of like is this is the area where it should already aggressively be dying, and it looks heavy, but we're not getting that straight follow through instantly. I
Yeah.
think SPY still has to test prior day low, though. That's the only thing that's kind of sus here.
I'm cooked, fellers.
Yeah, you might be cooked here. You might be cooked, dear.
So there goes the flicker. Oh God.
Flicker it up. Flicker it up.
My fate.
Flicker it up, baby. Buy it. Buy it.
My fate, brother.
Buy it. No.
He said no. No, this shit's over, bro.
Yeah, it looks pretty done.
No, this is fucking over.
It's fucking wow. What a fucking
Oh God.
okay. See, it's not over till it breaks low day.
The system says hold
The
until low of
system
day.
says hold. Blow on it. That's actually a really good thing for you there, though. That reaction was really good. Not gonna lie.
Yeah, that was really good. Failure
That
to go
was a great
lower.
reaction.
Another failure to
Another
go lower.
failure to go lower. Support becomes support till support's no longer support.
Yeah.
I can't take this edging.
Hold.
Yo, this 5 minutes looking
Heave.
decent now. Okay.
Heave. Let me see what the 5 minute looks like.
5 minutes
Give
looking
me
decent.
hopium.
If we can
Give me
engulf this
hopium.
from the 5, it's looking better.
Should I add to my position?
Yes, put the stop below 910.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, fucking do it, dude. Fucking do it.
I added.
Okay.
Oh, we're here. We're present. Basically, so he's long. His stop is below 975.
They just breathed on it. Yeah, they got really close and went, ah.
The awkward silence was the answer, right?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh, engulf this. Get back past prior day low, bro.
We could do this.
Get past it.
You got it, baby.
Come on.
We got it, baby.
Wow, this is the most fuckery I've ever seen on a Monday.
Yeah, this is horrid. This is horrid. Spy doesn't look that good.
Yeah, it doesn't.
Spy
dude.
Spy doesn't look that good.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness. This is horrible.
This is so awful.
I'm about to blow an account on live.
Hey, we all do it, bro.
Yeah, we do. I'm not ashamed of it. I know I'm a great trader.
Yeah.
I know I'm a phenomenal trader, actually.
Yeah. There you go. I like that. You are a phenomenal trader. You're a great trader.
Thank you.
Sometimes
Mark Hoffman lived to
don't
trade
work
another
out.
day. I feel that. No, Mark, I really do feel that. I do feel that, brother. I do feel that. I'm gonna wait for a reaction, Mark, and if it's not looking too good, then I'm gonna go ahead and cut because I like that.
Yeah. This 5 minutes not looking too bad for you. It needs to get through 930s here.
It needs to get through 23,000. That's what it needs to get through.
There's definitely a divergence, bro. Spy. I mean, I think Spy still wants to test prior day low. That's the problem. That's the bigger issue.
Spy is definitely, yeah. There's definitely a divergence.
At least while it's trying to find its footing right now.
Are we long, chat? Are we long? I think we're long.
Yeah. Let's see. Next candle about to close here. 5 seconds. Let's see.
We keep making higher lows on the 5-minute support holding. Long on Amazon
Yeah.
KJ.
Yeah. It needs to get through here. It needs to get through this damn fucking this area.
Yeah, it is making higher lows. SPY is really killing me right now, bro.
Yeah, it really wants to test prior day low and sweep it. That's the problem.
I'm gonna get out.
I just put it below 910 and let it trade. If we lose 910, you're done.
This shit is tanking.
I'm telling you, SPY needs to test prior day low, needs to sweep it. Just hasn't done it yet. It's the problem.
Jesus.
Wow.
I really feel like if SPY is gonna test prior day low, then we're just gonna I think we're gonna sink, bro.
I don't know, man. I honestly don't know. Like, so when I say I don't know, man, I'm like, I don't know.
I'm cooked.
This action just fucking sucks, dude. This action doesn't have enough clarity.
Yeah, I'm cooked here.
Just let it take you out. Don't fucking change it. Okay, now SPY just tested prior day low.
Let's hope this is the saving grace, folks. But I'm pretty not invested into this anymore.
Yeah. SPY did just test prior day low.
Everybody's saying cut. I agree with y'all completely, but I mean, because I'm already here.
Yeah, you're already there. Fuck it.
Yeah, you guys are right. Everybody saying cut is right. But it's just about to stop me out.
You ain't wrong. You ain't wrong.
You guys are not wrong. You guys are not wrong at all.
There it goes.
Yeah. GG's, fellers. GG's.
Yeah, this is the worst Monday ever.
Man, this is actually I haven't faced a Monday like this, and I don't know how long.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, me too. It's been a hot minute since I had a Monday like this. Just in pain. Well, mine was early, but still, I'm vicariously in pain for you.
It's okay. We'll be back.
Yeah.
We'll be doing this for the next, I don't know how many years.
Forever.
Yeah, till the end.
Till the end.
There you go.
There's the expando. Okay, that's it, guys. We got wrecked.
All right.
We're gonna cut it here. We're done. Well, you guys saw it. Yeah, lock it out. Done. 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 Done.
We're cooked here.
That's trading, ladies and gentlemen. That's trading for you. So GG.
Now the next thing is like, can I make it back? Because this is detrimental.
Lock
That's
both
detrimental.
of them. Both of them.
Right.
Both of them. All of them. All five.
Right. All of them. Yeah. No.
Oh God. Okay.
This is nasty work.
Thanks, guys, for hopping on, watching us lose live. But that happens. That's trading. That's the reality of it. So we're not here to show you only our wins. We're here to show you the real losses too, and just show you the pain that we feel and go through it. So that's that. Thank you all for joining. We'll be back tomorrow. We'll take it slow. We'll slow it down. It's okay. Live to trade another day. All right, guys. Late.